In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Chrome AI mode from the address bar step by step. This is a super simple way to access Google Gemini directly from Chrome, and it works best when your browser is fully updated. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings menu. From there, hover over Help and then click About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically check for updates. This part is important because AI features usually require the latest version of Chrome. If an update is available, let it install completely. Depending on your connection, this may take a few moments, so just give it time to finish. Once the update is installed, you'll see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the new version. After Chrome reopens, you're now ready to use the AI mode feature. Next, open a new tab or a new page in Chrome. In the address bar, you should see an AI mode button. Click on that button to run Google Gemini AI directly from the browser. This lets you access the AI experience quickly without needing to search for it manually every time. If you don't see the AI mode button right away, double check that Chrome is fully updated and refreshed. In many cases, the feature appears only after the newest version is installed and the browser has been relaunched. So if needed, repeat the update check once more and make sure everything is current. And that's it. You've now learned how to run Chrome AI mode from the address bar using the latest version of Google Chrome. It's fast, it's easy, and it gives you quick access to Gemini right from your browser. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.